2003 Honda CRV. A little bump in the front, didn't leak out the refrigerant, did a recovery, put on a new condenser, good to go, and a radiator. Here's the situation. I did the recovery, come back to do the recharge. It's about 65 degrees outside right now in San Francisco. I had 11 psi on the high side. It was floating right around 11. It wouldn't go past 11. Now, if I was using one of those little cans with the little blue gauge on it with the colors go and no go, at 11 psi it would be down there in that red area or whatever area it says it's no good and you need to add more. Well, I'm completely full. I have 530 grams in here and I had 11 psi on the high side. So with one of those cans, I would keep on adding more and keep adding more. And you know what? Because most customers and a lot of mechanics don't even know, here was the scenario. Now they don't look that dirty, but this was enough restriction to slow down the airflow over the evaporator, and that's your heat load. Your evaporator has to have a load over it. And that was your 11 psi, not the amount of refrigerant going across or into your AC system. A little bit of restriction, that's it. And that little bit of dust, those nice things, you could see some light through it. Oh, that's not that bad. Well, now we're floating up there at 20, 21 psi, right where it should be, and exactly how it should be. This is why you don't listen to those mechanics or do-it-yourselfers. Use the little can with the gauges. It's all good. Okay, in this scenario, these are the ones that I get back from somebody saying, I don't understand, it got hot and it stopped working, or something blew off, or my belt came off, or my clutch burnt out. That's what happens to the guys who fill by pressures or temperatures. Remember, airflow, very important. Same with airflow over a dirty condenser. Airflow where one fan works but the other doesn't, and the mechanic doesn't know, you can't fill by pressures or temperatures. Airflow when you have varying fans that go up and down, you can't fill by pressures. A variable displacement compressor, you don't fill by pressures and temperatures. If you have cycling fans that are at a constant but they're going up and down, they're not steady enough to give you a long enough time so you can actually use superheat or subcooling even if you wanted to. So I just had to get this. I got to get on to my next one. I wish I would have broke out the phone and copied earlier. Maybe I'll retake this. Let's find out. And but it's getting late and I got 2 more shops to hit. That's it. Airflow, 11 psi, only because of filters.